Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC U0146, indicates a malfunction in the PCM-CAN network, specifically relating to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and its gateway system. The diagnostic issue arises in the communication of the vehicle's control area network, CAN, particularly between the PCM and the CAN gateway. This problem can cause disruption in various systems within the vehicle that rely on effective communication. The vehicle's diagnostic system stores this trouble code when it detects faults in the PCM-CAN system. Utilization of a suitable diagnostic tool, such as Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, is crucial for accurate diagnosis and to ascertain the fault's location. Handling this issue promptly is essential to ensure vehicle operations remain efficient and all systems function harmoniously. The error code U0146 signifies a communication issue in the PCM-CAN, Flexible Coordinator Area Network. The primary components affected by this issue are the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and the CAN gateway, each playing vital roles in vehicle operations. The PCM continuously manages engine performance, emissions, and fuel efficiency by interpreting data from various sensors. Meanwhile, the CAN gateway serves a crucial function by translating and managing data exchanges between different control units within the vehicle. This gateway is typically located beneath the dashboard, making it accessible for inspection and repair. A disruption in the communication line between these components can lead to serious operational impacts, necessitating thorough diagnostic checks and possible repairs. Several potential causes may trigger the DTC U0146. One common cause is a faulty Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which might not process or send data correctly. Additionally, an open wire in the PCM communication line can interrupt data flow, creating issues in vehicle functionalities. Loose or corroded connections between the PCM and the CAN gateway are also prevalent culprits, as they can hinder effective communication. Furthermore, if the CAN gateway itself is damaged, it may fail to relay information correctly among the various control units. Each of these causes requires careful inspection and verification to ensure a targeted and effective repair process. The symptoms associated with DTC U0146 can be quite diverse. One prevalent indication may be the illumination of various dashboard warning lights, which alert the driver to underlying issues in the vehicle. Engine performance can also be adversely affected, leading to noticeable signs such as decreased power, stalling, or difficulty in starting. When attempting to run diagnostics, technicians may encounter failures in retrieving information from the PCM, indicating communication breakdowns. Additionally, there could be intermittent communication errors, meaning the issue is not persistent but can arise occasionally, complicating the troubleshooting process. Understanding these symptoms is crucial for effective diagnosis and repair. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U0146 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode, which powers the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Subsequently, it is vital to check for any diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This diagnostic tool provides comprehensive data about the vehicle's electronic systems. Upon completion of this check, it's important to ascertain if there are additional DTCs indicated alongside U0146. If any additional DTCs are present, this would necessitate further troubleshooting specific to the corresponding CAN gateway system DTCs. Should no additional DTCs appear, the technician may proceed to the next step, ensuring a logical progression through the diagnostic process. In the second troubleshooting step, after confirming no additional DTCs, the technician should select the function test option in the HDS for the CAN gateway system. This allows for testing of the F-CAN bus connected units, which assesses the communication between various control modules. Upon running this test, the results will indicate whether the PCM on bus A or B is available or not. The technician must evaluate the PCM's availability meticulously. If bus A indicates not available, proceed to the next step. If bus B is unavailable, the technician will need further diagnostics for that specific bus. If the PCM is detected and the system seems to operate normally, intermittent failure is likely, indicating a need to inspect connections at the CAN gateway and PCM for any loose terminals. In the third step of troubleshooting, an open wire check is essential. The technician must first turn the vehicle to the off-lock mode to prevent any electrical activities during testing. The next step is to jump the SCS service check system line using the HDS and wait for more than a minute. After establishing the SCS connection, the specified connectors should be disconnected: the CAN Gateway 16P connector and the PCM connector A 50P. This disconnection ensures a clean testing environment to accurately check for continuity between designated test points. Checking continuity will help the technician identify if there's an open circuit in the F-CAN A, H, and AL lines. Ensuring this step is performed accurately is crucial for pinpointing any disruptions in communication lines. The fourth step in troubleshooting focuses on the open wire check for F-CAN B lines. Initially, the vehicle should again be turned to off-lock mode, similar to the previous step. The technician will repeat the procedure by jumping the SCS line with the HDS and waiting for a minute to ensure stable conditions. Subsequently, the same connectors must be disconnected: the PCM connector A and the CAN Gateway 16P connector. The continuity test will be conducted between specified test points to verify the status of F-CAN BH and BL lines. If continuity is present, it indicates that the wires are functional and attention should be directed towards potential loose connections. If continuity is not present, this signals an issue requiring a repair of the open circuit between the PCM and the CAN gateway. After completing all necessary repairs for DTC U0146, it's essential to verify the effectiveness of the repair. The initial step is to check for any remaining diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the HDS to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Once the DTCs are verified, the next step is to clear any fault codes from the PCM. This process allows the system to reset and accurately reflect the current operational status. Following this, a test drive is crucial to observe the vehicle under real-world conditions, ensuring all systems are functioning correctly without triggering any warning lights. Finalizing this step guarantees that the repairs have effectively addressed the underlying issue and that the vehicle operates at its optimal level. To prevent recurrence of DTC U0146 in the future, implementing consistent preventive maintenance is vital. Conducting regular system diagnostics using the HDS can help ensure that any faults are identified before escalating into significant issues. Moreover, periodically inspecting electrical connections for corrosion or looseness will mitigate the risk of communication failures. Keeping electrical components free from moisture intrusion is also critical, as moisture can lead to short circuits and communication disruptions within the F-CAN. By emphasizing these preventive measures, vehicle owners can maintain optimal performance and avoid potential breakdowns related to communication systems. In conclusion, DTC U0146 highlights significant issues within the F-CAN leading to communication disruptions between the PCM and the CAN gateway. Recognizing the precise role of each component is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Starting from basic checks to more complex continuity tests, it's vital to explore each potential cause and symptom to pinpoint the root issue accurately. Post-repair verification through DTC checks ensures that the solutions implemented are fully effective. Implementing regular preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the recurrence of such errors, ensuring that vehicle operations remain smooth and efficient. Overall, comprehensive understanding and diligent maintenance practices can dramatically enhance vehicle reliability and performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.